Hi guys, so the market is finally alive again, and I was waiting for the positive news and I got it. And it brought me plus 130% profits with 20 times leverage. But there's another question, what to do next? Fix the profits or just wait for the growth up to $30,000? So today we will try to figure it out. Let's go to the ByBit exchange. So here we have this one green candlestick that was resulted by the long-term dispute between Grayscale and the SEC. Yesterday the court ruled in favor of Grayscale, and now the SEC is obliged to re-examine Grayscale's application for a spot BTS ETF and either accept it or justify the refusal in detail. It is clear that the acceptance is expected here. With these consequences, traditional finance and big money will come to cryptocurrency market, which means that we will not see such volatility that lasted all these years. How did the market react? Of course, with this green candlestick, the price just rushed up from $26,100 to $28,100, and now it has stopped at the middle of the length of that big red candlestick that we had recently. And as you can see, the price couldn't recover after this crash, it is stuck here. Therefore, it is quite possible that the price can move both up and down. Let's look at the history and other data. At first, earlier the price touched a significant resistance level in the zone of $24,000. Here it is, I have marked it. After that, it rebounded and traded for more than a week in one zone around $26,000. Then we had to wait for a very long time, and finally now we can observe this situation. As you can see, the price has been approaching the lower boundary of the trading channel that I have put since January of this year. All this time it's been moving from the lower boundary to the upper one, down and up. Then we had the breakthrough just like now, and after that it went back to the lower boundary, then the upper one again, and now it has broken through the lower zone. There is a possibility that it can return to the lower boundary of this channel, and let's discuss if the price gains a foothold just here. Pay attention that here we have a very important level from which all this collapse began. If the price covers this drop with one candlestick today, and perhaps it will move up again and reach $34,000. We can see that historically the price already went down to the very bottom, and then it just recovered with only one or two green candlesticks. It was here, it was in this station. Later again, everything repeated. Those few green candlesticks covered all this fall, and we can see a new ATH of this year. Now there is a possibility, but also let's recall recent events about XRP. After the court's decision, the market initially rose up, but the next day it collapsed and the price started to reach the current lows of $26,000. There is certainly a chance that this situation will happen again, and also keep in mind that the black swan event hasn't happened yet that aims to destroy all hopes for a good full-fledged growth of Bitcoin. And exactly after the black swan event, the Bitcoin really starts to rapidly grow. Yes, it hasn't happened yet, but as already said that, I really believe that in the second half of 2023 we will have a chance to face it. There may be a fall, there may be a new bottom, not $16,000 but even lower. I'm this confident because the halving on Bitcoin is ahead, and historically we already observed that before each halving on Bitcoin, the market had been in the accumulation phase, but after the halving there was a rapid growth. The next halving will take place in April 2024, and it is very soon actually. Therefore we can expect the market to stagnate. It will be moving in one zone or even fall down. Now I just continue to observe. The main thing for the growth of Bitcoin, the price needs to cover this red candlestick and go higher than $29,000. Then it will be possible to increase to $33,000, but I don't see a more significant increase like up to $60,000 or $70,000 in the near future. Therefore now I will put stop loss for my long position in the zone of $26,800, $27,000. And if it falls below, well, I need to find another entry point. But now we all understand that we need to be very careful, we need to stick to to our risk management, and of course you have your own opinion, so write in the comments what do you think about all this situation. Also check all the links in the description under this video, there you'll find very interesting materials. And never try to enter the market with all your amounts, because market will always give you the opportunity to make the profits. You need to be just very careful and patient. So do not forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, and see you in the next video.